Welcome to the 78th episode of Learn Hindi the Easy Way with Jay. In this video you can learn phrases with the verb rahna and learn how it can be used in different contexts. These videos are not intended to be lengthy and strenuous, instead short and sweet, so that you can learn in an easy way a few things regularly. When we have more subscribers and likes, I shall then add 3 videos a week. And if you're new to this channel, check these 75 plus videos already there, and it can help you build a foundation in the language. Here's your room. You can say, ये रहा आपका कमरा. You can also say, ये है आपका कमरा, but रहना means to be or continue to be. I hope it makes sense now. ये रहा आपका कमरा. And आपका is because kamra is masculine, and you can learn genders in video number 10. Here's the link up here on the top right corner, or you can also find it in the description. You will hear it often when you go to hotels. ये रहा आपका कमरा. ये रहा आपका कमरा. Uncle was in the army. Chacha ji army mein rahe. He was working in the army for some time, which was ongoing for some time. So we use rahe. Chacha ji army mein rahe hain is also okay. He has been in the army. Chacha ji army mein rahe. पिताजी नहीं रहे. Here it means dad is no more, which clearly means he's no more, he doesn't continues to be living. पिताजी नहीं रहे. पिताजी नहीं रहे. Look at the deserted house and the car he owned. He's no more, and that is too sorry. You could be very well wondering how you could remember all that you learned. It is better if you also subscribe or follow the Instagram wow_Hindi1, where I'll be posting all these phrases regularly, and it is the easiest way for you to refresh. You can also ask questions there and I'll reply. All the best with your Hindi learning. Bye bye.